Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing an anatomy study of the knee. So we're going to sketch the knee from two different angles. One is the popular bent knee, and for that I just need one arc, circle, arc, and then we need a straight knee because you will want to work with both. And the straight knee is the same exercise, but just the circle arc and this arc straighter. Now that we have these two shapes down, we are going to begin fleshing this out. So one line, two line. Now I'm going to use the left knee in this case. So the way to go around it is that you could first put in 1, 2 small circles right inside this one, the big one. Okay, and then you could put a smaller one too. In some cases you will see that this is beneficial, but not in every case. There's the calf. So now around these circles you can do one of two things. One is that you could shade this in, or you could just do lines and then have this tendon coming in. Some of the musculature going out like that. So it's already looking like a knee with these lines that we've put in, but how you enhance this is by putting in some crosshatch, because that is what really makes the anatomy come out and or stand out and maintain its impressive look. So as you see that with the simple crosshatch, we have managed to okay, so we have put down the core structure here. Now any details that are around the knee actually differ from person to person, so we will not try to match one knee to another, but that is the core essential detail. And then of course you can go in, put in bone structure like this, all with a crosshatch, but just a few lines crisscrossing like this, you could actually achieve a structure which you can use for various purposes. So now if we were to have a light source, because we've already determined the light source coming from this side, I'm going to put in the essential tone here. And I have to actually clarify something that I mentioned this as the left knee. It actually is not the left knee, it is the right leg, because we are looking at it from this angle. And this muscle that you see here coming, emanating right from here and running into the knee, pretty much is visible on the outer structure of our impressive leg anatomy. So there we have, I'll even put in a little bit of ink here on the shin just for additional clarity and to make the tone consistent throughout. So that is a bent leg. And then this one here outstretched. And it makes sense to show this one as the right leg because there's more definition in that angle. So there's the quad, and the way we do it, again, one line, you could do two circles like this one smaller, this one larger, or you could just go like that, and you got yourself a knee. And then put in some muscle structure right here and it's complete. But then to enhance it, showing the light source coming here, same exercise as on the left leg there, some crosshatch. And you do not need to have too much finesse about this, except that here on this portion you will need to take it a little slower because you're talking about the flesh tones and you're talking about the muscle structure that actually gives more semblance to the knee. And right here there has to be a curvature going down like that. You could fill that in a little bit, light strokes throughout, shadow cast right under here, some shadow here. And we're not going to concentrate on the calf too much because we are concentrating on the knee, and we will stop it right there. So there we have it. Quick study in bent, stretched out knee. That is the left leg, right leg, and you could Google images and check out different bone structures, male, female, like knees. They also differ between people, and I hope that you have a lot of fun practicing. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.